one fleet in 5 minutes. Up next, Lonnie Walker on a 1954 Alice Chalmers WD-45.
Well, what you just saw there is me at the tractor pull earlier today. Went really well. The tractor performed really well. I'm surprised the clutch didn't just cook itself because it's like 60 years old or something. Nah, that clutch probably isn't that old. It's probably more like 30, 40 years old. Because I know it got changed at some point. But I figured I better show you guys the hay fields or you're not going to be happy. I still have to upload a bunch of videos. I better do that tonight. In conjunction with homework and stuff. But yeah, that's tied shut. Here's the hay. It actually doesn't look, this field's pretty bad with buttercups. I'm gonna really have to hit it with 2,4-D after. I might put some clarity on too, but I don't think I will, because that's just more money. But the 2,4-D should do the trick. I gotta just fill a tank up, and I gotta put one tank on the 1 acre field, and then I got a quarter of a tank on this field. But as you can see, this hay isn't looking too shabby. It's still really green. I'm not baling this tomorrow. I'll bale it either Monday or Tuesday. It's not looking that bad. In the top today dried not half bad for having been rained on last night. Because yeah, we did get a bit of a shower. But yeah, I also tried not to scalp it too bad, but it kind of got a little low. But that's the highest cut that sickle bar will do. So, but anyway, yeah, not much else to talk about. So yeah, I'm going out here to take the John Deere off the sickle bar mower and park it back underneath a roof. So yeah, I guess thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm tired.